Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up Claude. So Claude AI is a powerful tool for writing, coding, and content creation. Let's set it up step by step. So you could open your browser and go to Claude AI, click on sign up or log in if you already have an account. Sign up using your email or Google account. So verify your email and you'll be taken to Claude dashboard. So you're going to click on new chat and then you can type anything such as questions, scripts, ideas, or tasks, and Claude will respond instantly. To get better results, be specific about what you want. Like for example, write a 3-minute YouTube script with hook, intro, main points, and outro on the only 3 AI tools you'll ever need, delete the rest. So you can see that I gave the whole title to Claude, and now if you have better prompts, Claude is going to give you better results. And you can try using Claude for writing content, generating ideas, coding help, summarizing text. So save your best prompts so you can reuse them and work faster. And that's it. Claude is now ready to use. Start simple, practice daily, and you'll improve quickly. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.